after using the bat for 2 minutes. All the way, good for 2 points and a foul. What a shot!
Penetrates. Using that board, assist to himself. Beautiful play. Fast break layup. It's good. That pass to number one. Open three, and it's good.
Short after using the bat for 2 minutes. All the way, good for 2 points and a foul. What a shot!
All right, let's start with first time appearance for Bucal Season 4 Championship Game. The Cinderella team of Bucal. Ladies and gentlemen, here they are. From AMANDO Cope College, Green Serpents. Jersey number 1, Leonard Advincula. Jersey number 99, Julmart Cabahug. Jersey number 13, Eman Lianteo. Jersey number 25, Brent Bornilla. Jersey number 7, Jan Patrick Saculo. Jersey number 12, Mark Joseph Septo. Jersey number 19, John Leo Patiam. Jersey number 23, Rosendo Acabado Jr. Jersey number 21, Garrett Dean Basaysay. Jersey number 2, Johnny Cod Nagar. Jersey number 27, Federico Almario. Jersey number 0, Juan Carl Galvez. Jersey number 15, John Cedric Brun. Jersey number 18, Mark Arvin Cornejo. Jersey number 24, Kate Aaron Bonaobra. Head coach, George Alter Versus. Assistant coach, Jean Ranger Here they are. Settle down, settle down, settle down. Ladies and gentlemen, 4 times appeared for Bucal Finals. 3 times Bucal champion. The NCF Tigers! Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Jersey number 17, Franco Masi. Jersey number 9, Justin San Gabriel. Jersey number 3, Julark Asibor. Jersey number 10, William Arenzana. Jersey number 14, Rodman Templonebo. Jersey number 19, Jerimel Rivera. Jersey number 24, James Kevin Masinas. Jersey number 27, James Katamora. Jersey number 5, the captain, Alexander Lim. Jersey number 13, Vincent Malyaprea. Jersey number 22, the favorite, Bang Sablaon. Jersey number 28, Mark Anthony Lesano. Jersey number 7, Medwin Don Ariate. Jersey number 11, Francis Lim. And jersey number 31, Kyle Gabito. Head coach, Genesis Molto Jr. Assistant coach, Herbie Aguas. Brian Lucido, Brian Ayo, and Sir Gab De Vera. Here they are, ladies and gentlemen, AMANDO College and the NCF Tigers. You all right? May I request everyone to please rise for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem to be given by the NCF Marching and Concert Band. Philippine National Anthem. Players and coaches, shake hands. You're right. 10 minutes official warm-up.
We are live here at the UNC Sports Palace for your Bucal Season 4 Game 2 Finals matchup between the AMANDO College Green Serpents and the Naga College Foundation Tigers.
Ayun, good afternoon, basketball fans and Burns. Andito na tayo sa Game 2 ng ating Bucal Season 4 Finals. Kami po ulit ang inyong mga kasama para sa laban nito. Ako si John Russell A. Seniora at kasama ko si David Joshua Bernales.
And ayan nga partner, no, last week yung Game 1 ng ating championship match na itong Bucal Season 4. 1-0 ang score natin in favor of the NCF Tigers. Isang panalo na lang nila and they will be dubbed as the 4-time champion of Bucal Season 4. Pero there's still a chance dito for a comeback para sa ACC Green Serpents and take this championship match to a Game 3.
Indeed, partner. Walang makakapagsabi kung ito na ba ang huling laro ng Season 4.
Yes,
o may
partner.
aabangan pa tayo sa Game 3 ng ating championship game.
And syempre, championship match na ito, napaka-exciting ng matchup na mangyayari dito. Kagaya ng nangyari last week. Grabe yung binigay na energy ng ACC at ng NCF. Grabe yung ano nila, yung laro nila last week.
At ayun na nga, maya-maya matitignan natin. Pero bago ang lahat, we are live through Bucal Facebook page and GNN Sports TV Facebook page, and we also live via cable DCTV Channel 10 and GNN TV-48 Naga. So
And
mga kaibigan,
shoutout sa ating mga live viewers dyan sa ating mga Facebook page. Pero syempre, don't forget to like and share our Facebook pages para marami ang makalap ng ating game ngayon. Pero don't go anywhere mga kaibigan. Magbabalik po kami after ng warm-ups ng ating mga players. This is Bucal Season 4 live at GNN Sports TV Liga ng mga
Using the block. All the way. Number 2 brings in a foul. What a save!
Penetrates. Using that board, assist to himself. Beautiful play. Fast break layup. It's good.
Pass to number one, open three, and it's good.
Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
And we are back here live at the UNC Sports Palace for the Bucal Season 4 Finals. This is the Game 2 matchup between the ACC Green Serpents versus the Naga College Foundation Tigers.
Syempre partner, kakasabi ko lang kanina before the commercial break, this is game 2 na. 1-0 na ang score dito sa ating championship match ng NCF Tigers and AMANDO College. And with me ngayon is the stat sheet of the ACC Green Serpents. Tatalakayin natin yung reason kung bakit they fell short nung game 1 ng matchup nila between the Tigers. So nandito sa akin, shoutout dun sa ating mga statisticians for the stats na provide sa atin dito ngayon. So ito partner, no, this is one of the reasons kung bakit they fell short nung game 1. 42.3 sa kanilang 2-point field goal percentage. Medyo mababa yung field goal na yan, hindi sila umabot sa 50%. And sa kanilang 3-point field goals, shooting only 3 sa 22 attempts nila. That's very low sa kanila.
Unusual para sa ating Green Serpents having that kind of percentage.
And dito naman partner, on the defensive side, they have accumulated 40 rebounds, 15 of those offensive and 25 defensive. Napaka-efficient nila from the defensive side, kaya hindi masyadong mataas ang kalamangan ng ating Tigers nung game 1. Sa steals nila, marami silang steals doon sa game 1 na yon. And ito ang maganda partner, na ibaba ng ACC Green Serpents ang kanilang turnovers to just only 24 turnovers. Magandang ensayo yun ng ating mga Green Serpents dahil nabawasan nila yung mga unforced errors nila.
Nahirapan sila nung una, pero nakita natin simula third quarter hanggang fourth quarter lumabas ang totoong kulay, the Green Serpents, and they cut the lead into a single digit during the last minutes ng ating fourth quarter.
Isa sa mga dahilan kung bakit na-cut ng ating Green Serpents yung kalamangan ng ating NCF Tigers because of the contribution ng bench players ng ating Green Serpents. Nung hindi masyadong umiinit ang laro ng ating first 5 na Green Serpents, lumaban ang bench players ng ating Green Serpents. And syempre, to give us an update kung ano na ba ang ambience ng ating Green Serpents, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Joyce. Hi Joyce, ano ang update dyan sa Green Serpents?
Good afternoon, Bicolanja, and to all basketball fans. Here we are again at the UNC Sports Palace for the finals of Bucal Season 4. And for the first game of this finals, the NCF Tigers won. This is the best of 3, and we will see if we're going to have a third game for the finals if the ACC Green Serpent win this time's battle. Joshua and Russell, I can feel, hear, and see the full support of ACC community for the Green Serpents at my side bleachers. And for everyone's information, Joshua and Russell, the head coach of AMANDO College, Coach George Altair, just awarded as one of the best coach of the year of Bucal Season 4. And also, John Nico Nagor is also awarded as one of the best players of this year, Bucal Season 4, and he also one of the nominated most valuable player of this year's game. That's the latest from this side. I am Joyce, the courtside from Mariners, and a correspondent of ACC Green Serpents, only here at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Ayan, maraming salamat Joyce for that update sa ating ACC bench. And syempre partner,
Tignan
I-analyze
natin,
natin yung ACC Green Serpents ngayon. I-analyze natin yung winning factors ng ating NCF Tigers nung Game 1. Hindi masyadong nagkakalayo sa 2-point field goal percentage ang NCF Tigers with only 48. Kung sa ACC 42, medyo may konting improvements lang sa NCF with 48. 3-point field goals parehos din sa ating ACC with only 13% sa kanilang field goal. Pero sa on the defensive side, partner, dito sila nakalamang ng konti. 58 rebounds, 33 of which are defensive rebounds. Sa steals, 16. And turnovers nila pareho sa ACC, napakababa, 23 lang. And makikita natin kung may improvements ba nagawa si Coach Momo sa kanyang koponan. Pero bago yan, tawagin natin si Kim, ang ating courtside correspondent, to give us an update on the NCF Tigers. Hi, Kim!
Hi, Joshua and Russell. And of course, marahay na hapon, Bicolandia. 1 down and 1 more to go to secure that, to complete the task of securing that 4-peat championship title. A victor since day 1. The NCF Tigers are all set to devour the ACC Green Serpents for this most awaited Game 2 of the championship round. Wala nang ititira pa at wala nang atrasan. All out kung all out, as the Tigers say it. But you know what, Joshua and Russell, speaking of all out, since day 1 rin, kasama natin ang unrivaled and ever-dominating NCF Tigers community to show the supremacy of the Tigers all the way from the home of the champions. I wonder kung may tao pa ba ngayon sa NCF dahil it seems na nandito lahat ng Ensyana, not only the students but also the faculty and staff, administrators of the school. My goodness, with 1-0 team standing right now, it seems na wala na yatang balak ang mga Tigre na paabutin pa sa Game 3 ang laban na ito. We'll see as they set their feet on the fiercest hardcourt in Bucal. I'll be back for a first report. Balik sa inyo, Joshua and Russell.
Ayan, maraming salamat, Kim, for the update sa ating bench ng NCF Tigers. Pero ayan na, partner, nagsimula na ang first quarter. Game 2, NCF Tigers versus the AMANDO College Green Serpents.
At ang katanungan dito, kung sino ang uuwi ng kampyonato o meron bang Game 3?
And
It's out to Acabado for 3!
Three-pointer there by Acabado to put their team in the scoreboard dito sa ating Game 2.
Ang first point ay galing kay Acabado dito sa ating
And that's gonna be a troubling violation called on Arenzana. Turnover para sa ating NCF Tigers.
not a good start para sa ating Tigers.
And ayan, partner, isang returning player na hindi naglaro nung first game is Sakulo, number 7 ng ating Green Serpents. And makikita natin kung magiging magandang addition ba siya sa team plan ng ating ACC Green Serpents.
At alam naman natin na ito si Sakulo ay isa sa mga inaasahan ng ating Green Serpents.
Yes, partner.
Kaya kaabang-abang ang pagbabalik ngayon ni Sakulo.
Yan. Speaking of pagbabalik, Sakulo now will shoot his free throws dito sa ating charity stripe.
First shot,
No good.
good. Sigurado ako pinaghandaan ito ng Tigers.
And partner, kung mahalata mo, medyo iba yung lineup na ginawa ni Coach Verses. Yung mga bench players niya is ang naging first 5 ngayon kasi napaka-efficient nila nung game 1 na matchup nila between the Tigers. Pero ayun, same ball pa rin. Whistle from the referee. Bola ng ACC.
Shoutout natin ang ating online viewers. Maraming salamat. Again, don't forget to share and like our Facebook pages.
Sakulo now with the ball para sa Green Serpents to Acabado. Seconds to shoot na lang dito. Galvez, beautiful pass.
Pero andun si Bron.
That's gonna be stepping on the line. Bola ngayon ng NCF Tigers.
Shoutout sa iyo, Kimberly May Amar from Pamplona. Maraming salamat po sa panunood.
Palyapre passes to the wrong man. That's gonna be a turnover.
Another turnover coming from the Tigers.
Number 24 now, Bonaobra. Miscommunication there. Turnover din ng ACC into the hands of Ariate. Fires a 3. No good. Rebound by number 15.
Pass to Sakulo. Sakulo now has the ball. Crosses over. Sakulo drives. No good. Pero andun si Galvez to get the rebound.
And bola ngayon ng NCF. Lim now with the ball, passes to Ariate. Nagpapasahan ng bola ang ating NCF. Into the hands of El Capitan, penetrates. Passes to Sabloon, pump fakes. Layup, it's good. Putting NCF in the scoreboard, Bang Sabloon. Bonaobra with the ball para sa ACC. Let's see kung makakapag-sagot ba sila sa layup na yun ni Sabloon, number 15.
Oh, no good. Pero ando si Bonaobra. Pass to Galvez. Galvez fakes. No good. Nice
Steal
pass
by
play.
Galvez.
Grabe.
Sakulo, passes to the outside man. Acabado, no good. Malyapre with the rebound. Fast break Sablaon. 2 points para kay Sablaon. And just like that, NCF is now in the lead. 7 minutes, 27 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter.
Sayang nung hustle na pinakita ng ating si Galvez kanina, ano?
Yes, partner, napakaganda ng mga offensive rebounds ng ating ang ATC.
Nice
Pero
play! What a highlight play! Galvez!
napakaganda ng sidestep na pinakita ni Galvez doon, putting ACC in the lead dito sa ating first quarter. Malyapre.
Combination play, sidestep, plus fake pass.
Lim to Sablaon. To Templo Nuevo. Posting up. Floater, no good. Offensive rebound, Malyapre. Tries again. Still no good, pero may whistle na nakita ang ating referee. 2 shots para kay Malyapre.
Number 7 is fouled. They only have 6 minutes and 40 seconds left sa ating first quarter. 5 against 4. The ACC Green Serpents is leading by 1. Isa lang ang sinasabi ng ACC.
Ano,
Meron
partner?
pang game 3.
Yes. First shot is good para kay Malyapre, and that's gonna tie this ball game. 5 apiece para sa Green Serpents and NCF Tigers. One more to put NCF on the lead. Malyapre, second shot is good. Lamang na ng 1 puntos ang ating Tigers. Acabado with the ball. Passes to Galvez. Crossing over his defender. Going all the way. Pops. Floater. That's good. 2-pointer para kay Galvez.
Grabe to si Galvez.
Isa sa mga leading scorers ng Game 1 sa ating Green Serpents. Pero ayan, El Capitan passes.
That's gonna be an out of bounds ball possession ng ating Green Serpents. Man to man, full court press ang pinapakita ng Green Serpents. And yun rin ang pinapakita ng ating NCF Tigers.
Ngayon, Acabado on the offense para sa Green Serpents into the hands of Galvez. Back to Acabado. Thought about that 3, still penetrates. That's a beautiful 2-pointer for Acabado.
What a beautiful drive! Acabado!
Tingnan natin kung may sagot ang NCF Tigers dito. Ariate making a play for his team. Passes to Templo Nuevo. Heavily guarded. Passes to El Capitan. El Capitan penetrates. Layup. That's good!
Sinagot ni El Capitan.
Napakaganda ng transition of offense dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents and NCF Tigers.
Sagutan ng putos.
Acabado with the ball. Guarded by Bang. Tumingin ng screen. Passes to Galvez. Extra pass to number 19. That's good!
What a play!
2-pointer there para kay number 19.
Bacham! Give it go! Plus extra pass.
Lim nagmamadali ng bola. Loses the ball, but that's still gonna be NCF ball.
And we have the substitutions here. but the Naga College, the NCF Tigers called the timeout with 5 minutes and 5 seconds remaining in the first quarter. 11-8. Lamang po ang ating Green Serpents. Huwag na huwag kayong alis. We are live here at the UNC Sports Palace, and this is the Game 2 of Bucal Season 4. We will be right back.
Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Look for 2 points and a foul.
Penetrates. Using that board, assist to himself. Beautiful play. Fast break layup. It's good.
Pass to number one, open three, and it's good.
Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Look for 2 points and a foul.
Back live here at the UNC Sports Palace for your Bucal Season 4 Championship match between the NCF Tigers and the ACC Green Serpents. Sa kasalukuyan lamang ang ating ACC Green Serpents with 11-8.
3-point lead para sa Green Serpents.
Templo Nuevo to El Capitan, making a play para sa Tigers. El Capitan passes to Catamora. Catamora to Sablon, 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Ariate fires that 3-pointer. No good. Bola pa rin ng NCF Tigers.
Ito yung hinahanap ko sa ACC. Last game 1 nila.
Yes,
at
partner.
pinapakita nila kung gaano sila kagaling when it comes to their defensive stance.
Ariate loses that ball. Retrieved by Sablon. El Capitan with that pass. Ariate gets again the loose ball. Ariate layup. That's good. 2-pointer para kay Ariate there. Muntik pang ma-turn over yung bola ng NCF Tigers. Pero yan, 1-point lead ng ACC. Ano ang sagot nila?
Advincula.
That's gonna be a loose ball. Stepping out of bounds. Bola ng Tigers. Ariate to inbound the ball.
Shoutout sa iyo, Aika Peña.
El Capitan ngayon naghahawak ng bola para sa Tigers. El Capitan passes to Ariate. Ariate penetrates, extra pass to the inside man, pero natapik ng isang Serpent. That's still gonna be NCF's ball as a substitution para kay Advincula and Galvez.
I-acknowledge natin, Burns, ang ating live audience dito sa UNC Sports Palace.
And Alexander Lim to inbound the ball para sa kanyang koponan. Lim passes to the inside man, spins, loses the ball. Nagar with the rebound. Nagmamadali ngayon si Nagar. Nabitawan ng bola. That's gonna be a turnover. NCF Tigers cheering on their team dito. And syempre di din magpapatalo ang ating ACC Green Serpents sa pag-cheer ng kanilang isa't-isang kupunan. Pero ayan, steal coming there from Liantero. Pass break ngayon ang ating ACC. Layup Liantero, no good. Offensive rebound. Floater, that's good! 2-pointer para sa ating Green Serpents. 3-point lead dito sa first quarter. Bola ngayon ng NCF Tigers.
At may nakita ang ating referee kanina lang.
And I think may review ang ating mga referees dito sa ating table of officials. Ayan.
Tatawagan si Latero ng warning for unsportsmanlike behavior.
Pero ayan, going back sa ating ball game, isa na namang turnover para sa NCF Tigers dito. Medyo nagsastruggle sila sa passing dito sa early first quarter.
Ito yung spirito ng ating Green Serpents, ang kanilang depensa.
Liantero now passes to Nagar. Stops and pops, no good.
Rebounded by Bang Sablaon. Bang Sablaon.
Bang passes to Katamora. Katamora back to Bang Sablaon. Fires a 3. No good. Bola ngayon ng Green Serpents.
Galvez has the ball. Pass to Liantero. Liantero now setting a play. Pass to Galvez. Bounce pass to Nagar. Nagar kicks out to the wingman. Pero andun si Bang Sablaon.
Nagar struggling here dito sa first quarter as Alexander Lim penetrates with that floater, but that's gonna be a no good. Liantero to Nagar.
Nagar drive!
Away! No good, pero may foul na tinawag.
Foul. That's gonna be from Templo Nuevo. And we have the substitutions here. Two minutes and 31 seconds left sa ating first quarter. 13 against 10. ACC is leading by 3.
And ayan, may 2 shots pa dito si Nagar to extend their lead to 5 points. Ito ang kanyang first shot. That's gonna be good.
Shoutout natin ang ating 1.8k viewers sa ating Facebook pages. Maraming salamat. Shoutout sa iyo, Wen Pilomio, Manuel Carino, Jules Bardaje.
Second shot, no good. Pero offensive rebound para kay Galvez. That's gonna be plus 2 points para sa ACC. Grabing hustle dito kaya Galvez.
Nakikita ko ang fourth quarter game ni Galvez, pero pang first quarter pa lang.
Masinas with the ball para sa kanyang kubunan. Katamora penetrates, loses it, stolen by number 5. Galvez ngayon nagmamadali. Ang ganda ng Euro! 2 points! Umiinit early on in this quarter si Galvez. 8-point lead para sa Green Serpents. El Capitan with the ball para sa NCF Tigers. Let's see kung may sagot sila dito. Masinas, Arenzana to Ariate. Penetrates. That's going to be a foul called. Foul called on jersey number 19. Pacham. A minute and 31 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter.
And this is the biggest lead para sa ating laban ngayon. 8-point lead para sa ating Green Serpents.
Yes, partner. And halatang halata natin na maganda yung preparation na ginawa ng ating ACC dito sa ating second game. Pero makikita natin kung makakapag sagot ba ang ating Tigers dito as Ariate with the ball. Penetrates there. Layup. That's good! Two-pointer.
Layup from Ariate. Napagagandang play nun.
Hindi masyadong naging attentive yung defender niya. Kaya nakapag-penetrate sa loob si Ariate there. And then Galvez passes to the inside man. That's gonna be a floater. No good.
Pacham.
Mase with the ball para sa kanyang kupunan into the hands of Masinas. Rise up three. That's good! Three-pointer for the Tigers. Sidestep Lantero, extra pass, floater. In and out, offensive rebound. Buena obra. Stolen by Lezano. Pass break. Layup no good. Offensive rebound plus a putback. Masinas 2 points. And a foul there. Nakuha pa ni Lezano.
By Lezano. And just that like, they got the lead into one.
Grabing hustle pinapakita ng NCF Tigers. And may nagtawag ng timeout.
We have a timeout called by the Green Serpents.
Yes.
With 24 seconds to play. 1-point lead para sa ating Green Serpents. Mga kaibigan, live tayo dito sa UNC Sports Palace for Bucal's Season 4 Game 2. Magbabalik po kami.
Shortstopper using the clock. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
Penetrates. Using that board, assist to himself. Beautiful fast break layup.
It's good.
Pass to number one. Open three, and it's good.
Shortstopper using the clock. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
And we are back live here at the UNC Sports Palace. for your Game 2 of Bucal Season 4 NCF Tigers versus the Green Serpents. 1-point lead by the ACC, and now change favor NCF Tigers with a 2-point lead. 11 seconds na lang natitira. Let's see kung may bounce back dito ang ating ACC Green Serpents. 5 seconds, 3 seconds. Bonobra fires a 3.
No good.
Short.
That's it. That's the end of the first period sa ating Game 2 ng Bucal Season 4. The NCF now is leading by 2. Mga kaibigan, simula pa lang pero lumalagablab na ang ating laban ngayong gabi.
Yes, partner.
We are live here at the UNC Sports Palace for your Bucal Season 4 Game 2. Magbabalik po kami.
Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
Penetrates. Using that board, assist to himself. Beautiful fast break layup.
It's good.
Pass number one, open 3, and it's good.
Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
And we are back live dito sa UNC Sports Palace. And a partner, nagsisimula pa lang ang ball game na sa exciting part na kaagad tayo. Super exciting ng matchup between the NCF Tigers and the Green Serpents.
Hindi lang ang mga players, even the fans.
And nakikita natin sumasayaw-sayaw pa ang NCF Tigers as they get that lead doon sa final seconds ng first quarter. Pero ayan, going back sa ating ball game, ball possession ng NCF Tigers. Medyo may block doon. Offensive rebound, Arenzana. Plus a 2-pointer there.
Arenzana. And shout out kay Maria Regina Alvarez. Happy birthday sa'yo.
Acabado, extra pass, almost intercepted. Sakulo with the ball. Back to Acabado. Penetrate, layup.
That's good.
2-pointer para kay Acabado there. Ariate with the ball. Passes to the big man. Nabitawan ng bola.
Out
At
of bounds.
turnover.
Turnover sa side ng ating NCF Tigers. Shoutout sa Nocetti family na nanonood ngayon.
Fast break ngayon, ACC. Layup, Acabado, no good. Second chance, it's good!
Bron, the savior.
Just like that, partner, we are at a deadlock, 22-all. Masinas, that's good! Three-pointer! Grabe! Using that board for that three-pointer para kay Masinas.
Para nagsimula tayo ng palitan agad ng puntos.
Still here by the Tigers.
Ariate drives. Bucket by Lezano. Lezano setting.
Three-pointer,
No good.
Another one, Masinas.
Wala pa
Then
rin.
no good.
Wala bola. That's gonna be ball possession of the Green Serpents.
Napakagandang matchup ang pinapakita dito ng ating Green Serpents and Tigers. Galvez to inbound the ball into the hands of Bonaobra. Bonaobra ngayon, passes to Galvez. Extra pass to number 15. Ron.
No good. Pero nakuha pa rin ni Galvez.
Another rejection. Bola pa rin ng ACC.
Shoutout sa ating live commentator dito sa UNC Sports Palace, Sir Angelo Espinosilia.
And ayan Sakolo now will inbound the ball for ACC. Acabado receives it, penetrates, passes to Bron. Floater, it's good! Plus a foul!
A chance for a three-point play.
What an amazing passing there by Acabado to Bron.
Nice play.
Woo. Beautiful IQ there by Acabado. And a chance for a three-point play para kay Bron dito to tie the ball game to 25. No good sa kanyang three-point effort. Bola ngayon ng ating NCF Tigers. Full court man-to-man defense pinapakita ng ating Green Serpents. San Gabriel to receive that inbound. Almost loses the ball. Masinas to Ariate. Ariate humingi ng screen. Penetrates. Lefty layup. That's good. Two-pointer para kay Ariate.
Another open layup. What a kind of space na binibigay kay Ariate.
Yes, partner, nabutas yung depensa ng ACC doon. And inabuso ni Ariate yung depensa na yun.
A 3-point lead para sa ating Tigers. We have substitution here. Sablaon will enter the court and Lezano will rest for a moment. Acabado now has the ball.
Acabado with the ball, passes to Bunaobra, pump fakes, floater, no good. And there's a whistle called by the referee. That's gonna be a foul called on Galvez. First personal foul niya. 7 minutes 28 seconds remaining dito sa ating second quarter. 3-point lead by the NCF Tigers.
Masinas now. Masinas fires for three, no good. Meron doon si Ariate for the second chance opportunity. Alley-oop pass kay Arenzana.
That's a beautiful two-pointer by Arenzana. Kahit grabe yung depensa na pinapakita ng ACC na ipasok pa din niya yung bola. 5-point lead para sa ating NCF Tigers.
Galvez now has the ball. Back to Acabado. At ayun na nga, Burns. Let's hear from our courtside reporter all the way from the bench of the NCF Tigers. Let's call in. Hi, Kim. Kamusta? Anong update dyan sa NCF Tigers?
Yes, Joshua and Russell. What a miraculous end for the Tigers to take the lead for the first stretch despite a rough start. Ang kanilang delayed lead ay dahil daw sa masyadong bukas at maluwag ang kanilang depensa, kaya nakakapuntos ang ACC, ensuring that they will not continue the same mistake. The Tigers take on their roles and play as a team, knowing that despite the lead and their wins sa Game 1, they failed to maximize their chemistry. A failure na ayaw nilang maulit pa. As the clock ticks right now in the second stretch, it seems na umiinit na ang mga kamay ng ating mga Tigre as they continue to drop consecutive game-winning shots, as they put in mind also that the job's not yet finished and we are not yet done. Balik sa inyo, Joshua and Russell.
Ayun, maraming salamat, Kim, sa quick update from the side of the Tigers.
And ayan, going back sa ating ball game, San Gabriel fires that shot. That's gonna be a no good. Bola ng ACC Green Serpents. Six and a half minutes remaining dito sa ating second quarter.
1 point lead lang para sa ating Tigers. And we have a substitution here. Malyapre now will enter. And Masinas will leave the court.
Acabado, tubo na obra. Full court defense na naman pinapakita ng ating Tigers dito, San Gabriel. Passes to Galvez, back to Bonaobra, to the outside man, long two-pointer for Samulo!
Real good for two.
ACC now with the lead. Change favor na naman. Close matchup here sa ating game 2. Malyapre penetrates. That's gonna be a traveling violation.
Nice defense para sa ating Green Serpents. Bonaobra now.
Guarded by Ariate. Bonaobra passes to Acabado. Pump fix.
That's to Galvez.
Into the hands of Galvez. Bron. 10 seconds to shoot. Stripped away by Ariate. Fast break na yun. 3-on-2 fast break. Ariate layup. It's good.
At may kasama pang foul. That's from Acabado.
May flex pa na pinakita si Ariate dito. Instant replay layup. Sumabayo si Acabado.
And we have a substitution here. Pacham will enter the court. And Bron will leave the court for now.
Kitang-kita mo sa mga mata ng mga players dito ang kanilang dedication na maipanalo and maiangat ang kanilang team dito sa Bucal Season 4. Ariate. That shot is good. He completes the 3-point play. Acabado, that's a long pass. Stripped away by Malyapre. Ariate ngayon on the offense. Extra pass. Reverse layup. It's good. Para kay Rivera.
Bonaobra now has the ball. Pass to Pacham. Galvez. Nice ball movement para sa Green Serpents.
Fade away. Mid-range jumper. No good. Arenzano with the rebound. In the hands of Malyapre. NCF in the offense now. Ariate fires a 3. That's good! 3-pointer para sa Tigers. Umiinit na ang NCF Tigers dito. Tingnan natin kung may sagot ang ACC. Bonaobra passes to Acabado. Penetrates. Layup. It's good! Napakaganda pinapakita ni Acabado dito. Ariate. Bitawan ang bola. That's gonna cost them.
That's gonna be a turnover from the side of the Tigers. And we have a timeout called by the Green Serpents with 4 minutes and 31 seconds left sa ating second quarter. 35-30, 5-point lead para sa ating NCF Tigers. We are live here at the UNC Sports Palace for the Bucal Season 4 Game 2. We will be right back. pass to number one. Number one, open three, and it's good.
Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
And we are back live here at the UNC Sports Palace for your Game 2. NCF Tigers versus ACC Green Serpents. And to give us an update dun sa tinawag na timeout ni Coach Verses, tawagin natin si Joyce. Hi Joyce, ano ang update dyan kay Coach Verses?
Joshua and Russell, first timeout. Coach George Altair commended the team for the opening performance of the boys. But the second timeout, he reminds the boys that make sure of their shooting points and lessen turnovers. He said that they should focus on the hard court and emphasizes that every possession counts. That's the latest from this side. Back to the panel.
Maraming salamat Joyce sa iyong update. And syempre partner, napakaganda kasi ng hustle na pinapakita ng ACC ngayon dito. 3-point lead, fast break ngayon, Sakulo, layup, para goal! 2-pointer para kay Sakulo.
Speaking of hustle, ito na, napaka-concrete.
Beautiful hustle there by Sakulo, 1-point lead ng NCF Tigers. Rivera with the ball, passes to Sablaon, fires a three, no good, offensive rebound. Rivera with the ball, and a foul, that's gonna be a foul called.
Natawag ang foul na yun, galing kay Acabado, that's his second. Iba yung dala ni Sakulo sa loob ng court.
Grabe talaga, ito yung missing piece na nawawala nung game 1 ng ating ACC Green Serpents. At ngayon, pinapakita ni Sakulo na na-miss talaga ng kanyang teammates siya.
Parang nagpapakilala kayo ni Sakulo. Bantayan nyo rin ako.
Isa sa mga best players si Sakulo sa ACC Green Serpents. And ayun na, going back sa ating ball game, inbound, received by Sablaon into the hands of El Capitan. El Capitan penetrates, floater, no good.
Ibaded by Sakulo. Sakulo now has the ball.
Sakulo to Pacham.
As to Nagar. Nagar takes out to Acabado. Step up. E-pointer, no good.
Mase with the rebound, passes to Sablaon. Sablaon, pass break. Floater, that's good. 2-pointer for Sablaon.
We only have 2 minutes and 43 seconds left sa ating second quarter. 3-point lead para sa ating NCF Tigers.
Sakulo with the ball, pump fakes. 10 seconds to shoot. Nagar almost losing the ball. Man, may foul na tinawag ang ating referee.
Good call yun para sa ating referee.
3-point lead lang ang hawak ng ating NCF Tigers ngayon. Malaking improvement nung game 1 na pinapakita ngayon ng ACC. And bola ngayon ng ating Green Serpents. Sakulo with the ball, fires a 3 to tie the game. In and out, no good. Rebound by Arenzana. Rivera with the ball.
Rivera now has the ball.
Whistle there by the referee.
At tatawagan doon si Nagar for a foul. That's the 4th team foul ng ating Green Serpents. Isa na lang. And the Tigers will be in the penalty situation.
Sablaon with the ball, passes to Mase. Humingi ng screen, penetrates, nabutawan ng bola.
Nice defense para sa ating Green Serpents. Transition play, Nagar. Nice fakes. Nabitawan lang yung bola. Sayang nun.
That's gonna be a timeout called by the NCF Tigers. 37-34 ang ating score. Lamang pala ng 3 ang ating Tigers. And ayan partner, makikita mo ang audiences natin dito sa Sports Palace. Hindi lang marami, maingay pa at excited na excited ang ACC Green Serpents fans and NCF Tigers fans.
Gusto natin na-acknowledge ang efforts ng ACC fans na pumunta pa dito. They travel 2 to 3 hours para lang makapunta dito sa USC Sports Palace. Maraming salamat po sa ating ACC supporters. And of course, salamat din sa ating Tigers supporters.
Oo naman partner, maraming salamat sa pagtangkilik at pagsuporta sa Bucal Season 4. Kung wala kayo, wala kami ngayon. And we are back dito. Going back out of the timeout dito na tinawag ni Coach Momo. Makikita natin kung ano ba ang mga changes na ginawa nila para ma-improve ang playstyle ng ating Tigers at ang ating Green Serpents.
At kahit sa ating comment section, umuulan ng supporters from the Green Serpents. Hati ang ating supporters. Shoutout sa ating 1.8k viewers.
Bola ngayon ng Tigers. Masinas receives that inbound from Mase. Ngayon, Mase nagdadala ng bola. Ganap na papapasahan. Passes to Arenzana. Back to Sablaon.
Sablaon setting a play. Back to Mase.
10 seconds to shoot. Sablaon penetrates. Nabitawan ng bola.
Nice
Back in the
defense.
steal.
Steal by Advincula. Pass to Nagar. Nagar for 3.
Good. And may foul na nakita ang ating referee. That's gonna be a foul called on number 17. Mase will receive that foul. Mase will go out. Ariate will go in.
We only have 1 minute and 22 seconds left sa ating second period. Once again, 3-point lead pa rin ang ating Tigers. Hindi pa, wala pang dumalaglag sa ating scoreboard.
Yes. And Acabado there to tie the game. No good. Pass break, intercepted there. Stolen by Acabado. Acabado ngayon, penetrates. Sidestep, reverse layup. It's good! 2-pointer. 1 point lead.
Umiinit si Acabado. Ariate now.
Masinas with the ball, penetrates, layup, that's good, plus a foul! Chance for a 3-point play!
Nakakuha pa ng foul doon si Masinas. We only have 48 seconds left sa ating second quarter, mga kaibigan.
Grabe pinapakita ng parehong kupunan. Napaka-exciting ng matchup na ito. As we wrap up the first half, 48 seconds remaining. 3-point lead, hawak ng Tigers and a chance to make it 4.
Hindi papayag na last game na ng ACC tong araw na ito.
That's good for Masinas, completes the 3-point play.
Pero hindi rin papayag ang NCF na umabot pa ng game 3.
Ayan, Nagar with the ball, naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Passes to Advincula. Acabado with the ball there, humihingi ng screen. Nagar fires a quick 3. No good. Offensive rebound.
Lantero
layup. That's good! 2-pointer para kay Lantero.
Grabe ang offensive rebound na pinapakita ng Green Serpents ngayon.
Shot clock is off. 11 seconds remaining. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 3. Finish jumper. That's good! Clutch two-pointer by Ariate as we end the first half. 42-38. 4-point lead by the NCF Tigers.
Grabe.
Grabe partner, napaka-exciting ng first half pero don't go anywhere. Magbabalik ang Game 2 matchup between the Tigers and Green Serpents. This is Bucal Season 4 live at the UNC Sports Palace. Magbabalik kami for the halftime analysis.
Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul. What a shot!
Good day, everyone. I am Joyce Bernadette Ann Pampalan, 20 years old, BSTM student of Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Incorporated, Naga City Campus, and one of your courtside reporters, this Bucal, Season 4. During my elementary days, I am an arnis player and I compete up until the palarong panlalawigan, both combative and likhang anyo, single or double baston. This Bucal Season 4, please do expect me to give my very best to deliver to you all the happenings inside the game court.
Naghahanap ka ba ng one-day printing? Look for AAT Ads. We offer tarpaulin printing, billboards, panflex, laser cutting, and stainless for quality signages and many more. Your signage is the face of your business. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? I-level up mo na ang signages at billboard mo. Matatagpuan sa Pabidon 4, Door 5, Panganiban Drive, Naga City, in front of Boy Scout and Girl Scout of the Philippines. Sa Central Branch, located at Barangay Dinaga, Naga City, sa Albay, Barangay Sagbon, Daraga Albay. For inquiries, you may call or text at 205-5322 or 0998-952-7485 and look for Mr. Willis Soliman. AAT Ads ka na, your one-day quality printing.
Ano po ang pagkaintindi mo kayang kagawa?
Ang katuyahan po, kan pagkakaigwa ng teleradyo, iyan tanganing mas komprehensibong maipaabot si mga bareta.
Ang nakapalaman sa satuya pong konstitusyon. Ingat lang ta, medyo may COVID pa kita. Luwas mong makaning face mask.
Bako lang po sa radyo,
Asintado!
sa Facebook o social media, kundi pati po sa telebisyon.
Mayo man paulit-ulit. Pagbago na naman ang presidente, arog na naman kayan.
Ako, si Joe Osabal, sa Asintado sa Telerad, digdi sa GNTV-48 Naga.
This event is brought to you by Naga College Foundation, the home of the champions. Enroll now for as low as 2,000 pesos. For more details, visit www.ncf.edu.ph. Lemon Residences, your newest home of the champions and the metro. Open for daily, weekly, and monthly bookings. Located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City. And enjoy a sip of coffee and Septus meals at Tiger's Cafe, located at second level of Lemon Residences. Dream travel? Achieve yan sa Nagayon Travel and Tours. Enjoy a hassle-free travel with Nagayon Travel and Tours. Visit their office at NCF Annex Building, Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, or call us 0966-486-0043. At NCF Annex Building, there is the Tiger's Loft, a business center that first to offer a co-working space in Naga. Grow your business at the Tiger's Loft. Swim like a champion at NCF Training Pool. Avail their swimming lessons at a very affordable rates. Contact Coach Joseph Tena at 0949-447-2792. Drive with confidence with NCF Driving School. Avail their theoretical driving course and practical driving course. For beginners, NCF Driving School is LTO accredited.
Hi everyone, my name is Kimberly Dialenes from Naga College Foundation, your courtside reporter for Bucal Season 4. I am a student journalist, a student leader. I also like taking care of my cats and visiting coffee shops. I am so thrilled and excited to be one of your courtside reporters for this season of Bucal. Kaya naman, samahan po ninyo ako para sa mga updates, diskusyon at mga silip eksena at the courtside for this season of Bucal.
Mas pinalinaw, mas pinalakas, mas pinalawak. Ang GNTV-48 Naga, digital na! Kung ang inyong TV sets ay digital ready na, pindutin ang scan o search channel button at makikita ang GNN TV Channel 48. Maaaring gumamit ng indoor o outdoor antenna para sa mas klarong panonood. Ganito rin ang gagawin kung kayo ay gumagamit ng digital box. Sa mga susunod na araw, asahan ang mga programang malapit sa puso ng mga Bicolano.
Sa oras ng sakuna, isa sa mga kailangan natin sa ating tahanan ay isang gubag. Ang isang gubag ay naglalaman ng tubig, mga dilata at biscuits upang hindi tayo magutom, energy bars or energy drink, first aid kit, communication devices tulad ng flashlights at batteries, whistles o pito, portable radio at extra cellphone. Mas mabuti kung meron tayong prepaid load guard. Tools tulad ng Swiss knife at gunting. Maaari din tayo magdagdag ng lubid. At huwag natin kakalimutan ang hygiene kit na naglalaman ng sabon, tissue, toothpaste, toothbrush at face mask. Sa lahat ng oras, laging bukas, nakahanda ang aming tanggapan. Tandaan, ang Bicolanong alerto, pirming protektado.
Sungunyan niya ako digdi sa World of Water. Oh, wow! Sungunyan hihilingon tapo ang machine.
Located at Dorque Doña Elena Building, J. Miranda Avenue, Naga City. Owned and managed by Mr. Albert Ian Infelis. For inquiries, call or text 0947-592-6867 or 0995-146-4011. Wow! World of Water, your water treatment partner!
Sa loob ng classroom, yung parang ano ng mga bata, notebook, books, tapos teacher, nagtotalk lang yung teacher. Pero ngayon, dito sa robotics and sciences, parang naglalaro lang at natututo yung mga bata ng mga bagong learning na pwede nilang makuha.
Siyempre, yung technology natin, it's evolving. Yung mga students, they will really experience yung innovative learning. They will really engage with the technology.
This is a 3-year program that will cover from grade 1 to grade 12. So this is not actually a new subject, but this will be to be integrated in our computer subject and TLE. Except for, of course, for the STEM, because STEM really it is a subject wherein they will take as part of their curriculum.
As a parent, I'm so excited and happy that my kid and also the other kids in LCL will learn the basics of robotics. Siyempre, robotics, gusto nila yon at I know that they will enjoy it.
Ang fun po kasi, tapos ang dami pong nalalearn sa robotics. Excited po ako.
Especially sa amin. I think before, this is only introduced sa mga college, especially sa mga engineering courses. But now, it's really an advantage, especially for the children, to remain relevant and competitive, especially in this period of technological advancement.
It makes it interesting because robotics isn't just about how you work with wires, how you work with electricity. It's about elaborating with new people, working with other people, visualizing how you could create more things. Hindi lang puro like, let's say, electric, mga wiring. It's also about teamwork po, being skeptical when it comes to working in robotics. It is very complicated, but I enjoy it a lot because learning new things is my favorite thing.
Actually, this is a pre-program for our basic education department. We will be having this robotics program, but parents will not pay any extra amount of this. So this is an innovation for Naga College Foundation, and of course, to enhance our curriculum, particularly for digital transformation.
As I can see, kapag ang teacher is hands-on talaga sa pagtuturo, lalo na sa robotics na to, the students will really enjoy. It will be very fun and they will really have this learning environment and experiences po na mag-i-enjoy talaga sila.
You should better try new things no matter how difficult it is. Never give up because trying new things can open big possibilities and opportunities around you. You never know kung saan ka magaling, saan ka kailangan mo pa ng improvement. So I think that there's nothing wrong with trying because until you keep on trying, you will achieve a lot of things po and that will help you.
Penetrates. Using that board, assist to himself. Beautiful play. Fast break layup. It's good. That pass to number one. Number one. Open three, and it's good. And we are back here at UNC Sports Palace for your Bucal Season 4 Championship match. Game 2, NCF Tigers versus ACC Green Serpents. And partner, please take it away for the halftime analysis.
Ito na ang nangyari at ang performances ng ating dalawang kupunan. Indeed, this is a tight ball game. 38-42. 4-point lead lang ang ating Tigers. Ang kanilang 2-point field goals hindi nagkakalayo. Pero ito lang ang napansin ko. Ang turnovers ng NCF ngayon during the first half, they have 17, while the Green Serpents single digit lang, 9 turnovers lang. And kaya nakakahabol, nakakalamang ang Green Serpents because of their points of turnovers. Pero yung bench points ng NCF, they have 30 points coming from the bench, while the bench points ng ating Green Serpents, they only have 7. So palitan lang ang stats, ang performance, and even the shooting percentage ng ating dalawang koponan.
Kaya hindi nagkakalayo ang lamang ng NCF dito, and nag-change favor pa from time to time. And makikita natin kung ano ba yung mga changes na ginawa ng both coaches dito sa pagpasok ng ating second half.
Maya-maya malalaman yan natin.
Galvez, extra pass na Bunaobra. Hindi lang pumasok yung layup, pero another offensive rebound.
Wala pa rin.
Pero may nakita si referee na foul doon. Tingnan natin sa instant replay dito. Ang ganda ng offensive rebound na pinakita ng ACC, pero hindi lang nila na i-convert yung bola.
Tinawagan niya ng
ayan, 2 shots para kay Bunaobra dito to cut the lead to only 2 points. First shot, no good para kay Bunaobra. Second shot. That's good para kay Bunaobra.
3-point lead para sa ating Tigers.
Sakulo to inbound the ball. Passes to Acabado.
Acabado now has the ball. Acabado drives.
No good.
No good.
Fast break ngayon ng NCF. Ariate. Passes to Templo Nuevo. But there's a whistle called.
Nagtatawagin din ng foul si Baron.
Bola pa rin ng Tigers. Ariate. Naghanap na mapapasahan. Gets to Masinas. Posting of his defender. Lumusot, reverse net. That's gonna be a troubling violation. Turnover
para sa ating Tigers.
Chance here to tie the ball game para sa ACC Green Serpents.
Bunaobra now will set the play. Bunaobra pass to the inside man, kicks out to Galvez. Extra pass to Sakulo.
Reverse layup.
Oh, good.
All alone.
Ariate. It's good.
2 points para kay Ariate. Bunaobra nagmamadaling talhin ng bola. Passes to Galvez. Galvez penetrates, nabitawan ng bola, pero may foul na nakita ang ating referee. Foul on number 24.
Ball possession pa rin ng ating Green Serpents.
Acabado, long 2-pointer. No good.
Rebound by Ariate. Ariate is calling for a play. Bounce pass to Templo Nuevo. Templo Nuevo spins. Oh, good, pero doon si Masinas.
What a beautiful putback there by Masinas. Bonaobra with the ball. Crossing over. Mase passes to Acabado. Pump fakes. Galvez. Back to Acabado. Fires at 3. No good. Offensive rebound. 2-pointer para kay Galvez.
Gusto ko nang tawagin na Hasselman. Si Galvez.
Grabe naman yun. Galvez ng ating Green Serpents. Lim with the ball. El Capitan. Sablon. Fires a long 3. No good. Offensive rebound. El Capitan penetrates. Layup, that's good.
Play comes after the play. Grabe tong laban na to.
7-point lead by the Tigers. Galvez to Sakulo. That's gonna be a kickball.
And we have substitutions here from the side of the Green Serpents. Advincula, Almario, and Pacham will enter the court. Seven-point lead para sa ating Tigers.
Pacham receives that inbound. Naghanap ng mapapasahan. That's gonna be a stolen ball. Masinas, natapik ang bola. That's gonna be a turnover. Templo Nuevo is down on the ground.
That's Templo Nuevo is down.
And to give us an update sa side ng ating Green Serpents bench, let's call in Joyce. Hi, Joyce.
That the team should improve their screening and strengthen their 2-3 defense to delay the Tigers. Coach Jordan also said that the boys should maintain but intensify the rotation of the basketball, and all of them are permitted to shoot the ball. He also instructed the team to utilize back the strategy played during the first 5 minutes of the first quarter of this game for the Bucal Season 4 of the ACC Green Serpents. That's the latest from this side. Back to the panel.
Ayan, maraming salamat Joyce for that update sa ating Green Serpents. Pero ayan, Bonaobra fires a 3. That's gonna be a no good. 6 minutes and 3 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Ariate with the ball for the Tigers. Ariate to El Capitan. Penetrates. Napitawan ng bola. That's gonna be a steal. Fast break ngayon ng ACC.
Almario na!
Oh! What a block!
Pero andun si Bonaobra to recover the ball.
Sakulo.
Sakulo na!
That's beautiful! 2-pointer para kay Sakulo. Ang ganda ng block pero mas maganda yung opensa ni Sakulo.
Another turnover, another steal sana yun kay Advincula. That's gonna be an out of bounds.
Bola pa rin ng NCF Tigers.
5-point lead para sa ating Tigers.
Substitutions for both teams. Bonaobra goes out, Nagar goes in. Ariate, naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Passes to Gabito. Lozano passes. Mid-range jumper. That's good. Gabito 2 points. Nagar heavily guarded by Lozano. Nagar, beautiful pass. That's gonna be an intercepted pass. Lozano going all the way, layup, no good. Offensive rebound.
Maliapre now, recovers the ball. Nagtatawagin ang foul doon si Advincula. Sayang nun. Pangatlo na sanang steal yun. But for now, let's hear from our courtside reporter all the way from the side of the Tigers. Hi Kim, kamusta? Anong update dyan sa ating Tigers bench?
And Russell, it's all about timing. Coach Momo instructed the boys, giving emphasis to take advantage of the weak points ng ACC. For the remaining minutes ng ating third wing, Coach Momo urged the Tigers to raise their second chance poise and intensify their back-south defense. Raising his hands in the air every time the Tigers get the ball on, Coach Momo on subtle shoulder and head pats commend the boys for their fierce play so far sa ating game 2. Considering that this season is almost through, Coach Momo also shared in a pre-game interview how proud he is kung gaano nag-excel ang bawat isa sa team, knowing also na mostly ay rookie players pa lamang, particular sina Catamora, Mase, Lizano, Gabito at San Gabriel, and the rest of the team for responsibly answering the call of hard work and dedication for this sport. I'll be back for a next update. Back to the panel.
Ayan, maraming salamat Kim for the update on the side of the NCF. Pero ayan, going back sa ating ball game, Sakolo with that two-pointer. Beautiful two-pointer there by Sakolo. 4 minutes, 13 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Ariate now with the ball para sa NCF Tigers.
Ariate is finding his teammates, pass to Malyapre.
That's gonna be a traveling violation.
Ball possession of the Green Serpents. Shoutout sa iyo, Luis J. Nagapor and Natalie. Maraming salamat sa panunood.
Nagar to inbound the ball at Vincola receives it.
Sabi ni Carla Dino, congratulations Coach George. Deserve daw ang pagiging best coach of the year.
At Vincola passes to Sakolo. Heavily guarded by Malyapre here. Sakolo, sidestep three-pointer.
Oh good.
No good. Offensive rebound. Two-pointer dunk by Pacham.
What a play.
Woo! Napakabutas ng depensa. Isang dakdak para kay Pacham dito sa game 2. 47-52. Lamang pa rin ang ating Tigers.
5 pa rin ang hinahabol. Pero they still have the chance to cut the lead. Ball possession ng ating Green Serpents.
Lentero to inbound the ball. Passes to the outside man. Three-pointer. That's gonna be a short one. Masinas with the rebound. Passes to Lizano.
Lizano mag-isa, uses the glass, and it's good for that floater shot. And shoutout sa ating mga sponsors, maraming salamat po. And of course, Converge ICT Solution.
Lentero fires a three. No good. Offensive rebound. Nagar. Mid-range jumper. That's good! Two-pointer para kay Nagar. Pueblo Nuevo is okay. Who's inside the hard court? Ariate with the ball para sa kanyang kupunan. Masinas. Passes to Sablaon. Pump fakes. May sumabay na isa. Sablaon. Passes to Ariate. To Lizano. Three-pointer. No good. Offensive rebound. That's good!
Papasin ko dito, Burns. Labanan ng offensive rebound.
Pacham passes to Lentero into the hands of Sakolo.
Sakolo guarded by Bang Sablaon. Step back, short jumper, no good. Rebounded by Masinas. Masinas now.
Sablaon almost loses the ball. Sablaon spins back to Masinas, intercepted by Advincula. Pero that's gonna be an intercepted pass.
Another turnover para sa ating Tigers.
Nagar layup. That's good!
Tatlo laban sa isa.
Two-pointer there for Nagar. Pero tumama yung pa niya doon sa maya baba ng court. I think he's okay dito. Ariate with the ball now.
1 minute and 31 seconds left sa ating third quarter.
Pueblo Nuevo. No good. Short three-pointer. Fast break ngayon si Nagar. 2-on-1 fast break.
Nagar.
Side step.
Pero andun. si Templo Nuevo
Bola ngayon ng ACC.
to stop Naga for converting a point. 5-point lead ang kalamangan ng ating Tigers with 1 minute and 17 seconds left sa ating third quarter. Close game tayo mga kaibigan. Lower shot is good, no good for Pula Obra.
Ariate now with the ball into the hands of Masinas. May make ng play dito si Ariate. Passes to Rivera. Rivera into Ariate. Ariate penetrates. Mid-range. No good.
Out, no good.
Pero may whistle.
Ang ating referee dito. That's gonna be
48 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter.
a chance to cut the lead para sa ating Green Serpents.
Ariate naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Passes to Lozano. That's gonna be a good one! Beautiful inbound play by Ariate to Lozano. Back to a 7-point lead by the NCL Tigers. Substitution dito.
Ay, napansin ko lang for the whole duration ng ating third quarter, 5-point lead ang kalamangan lang ng ating Tigers.
Yes, grabe yung improvement na pinakita ngayon ng ating ACC.
Ibig sabihin, ganon kalakas ang depensa na pinapakita ng ating Green Serpents.
Yan, pero yan, Lozano completes the 3-point play. And ayan na, Templo Nuevo. That's gonna be a good hustle by Templo Nuevo as the ball goes to NCF Tigers. 38 seconds remaining dito. Masinas into the hands of Lozano.
Lozano is making a play.
Lozano passes.
Pass to Templo Nuevo.
Ariate. No good. Offensive rebound. Katamora.
Shot clock is dead.
13 seconds to shoot. Natapik. Bola pa rin ng ating NCF Tigers.
At hindi pa ata nag-double digit, di ba? Ang kalamangan ngayon. Para ang biggest lead, 8, no? Ariate!
No good.
Rebounded.
5 seconds. 3. Intercepted. Then,
titignan niya ang ating
titignan sa ating instant replay kung pumasok ba sa shot clock yung layup na yon by Ariate. Pero that's gonna be the end of our third quarter. 59-51 ang ating score. Labang pa rin ang NCF Tigers. This is Bucal Season 4 live at the UNC Sports Palace. Magbabalik po kami.
It's good. Labas number one. Open three, and it's good.
Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
We are back live here at the UNC Sports Palace for your fourth quarter of the game 2 between the NCF Tigers and ACC Green Serpents.
At ito na, Burns, dito na magkakaalaman kung meron pa bang game 3 o katapusan na ba ng season 4 ng ating Bucal.
And ayan ang partner, dito na tayo sa exciting part, fourth and final quarter. Arriate with the ball para sa Tigers.
Lezano.
No good there.
Pero doon si Arriate, nice fix!
That's good!
It's good!
2-pointer para kay Arriate. And just like that, partner, double-digit lead na ang hawak ng NCF Tigers. Pero bago ang lahat, let's give us an update para sa side ng Green Serpents. Tawagan natin si Joyce. Hi, Joyce!
Russell and Joshua during the timeout, Coach Altair said to the boys that they should strengthen and intensify their defense and also to always look for the open teammates during the play in the hard court. He also encourages the team to always be positive and do their best inside the hard court. That's the latest from this side. Back to you guys.
Yeah, maraming salamat, Joyce, for the update sa ating Green Serpents bench.
At ito na nga, ito na yung first double-digit lead sa ating laban ngayong hapon. Ay, ngayong gabi pala.
Yes, partner. And Acabado now to inbound the ball para sa Green Serpents. Sakulo receives it. Sakulo with the ball back to Acabado. Acabado penetrates, layup. No good. Offensive rebound. Put back, no good. Neblo Nuevo, nabitawan ng bola. That's gonna be ACC ball.
Hindi hahayaan ng ating Green Serpents na hindi makapuntos.
Acabado to Galvez, back to Acabado. Bola pa rin ng ACC. Bola pa rin ng ACC. Maraming tapik ang NCF dito.
Hindi nahayaan ng NCF na makahawak ng bola.
Pachama back to Acabado. Fakes, fires a 3. No good. Bola ngayon nasa kamay ni Catamora. Into Arriate.
Heavily guarded by
Arriate
Sakulo.
nagmamadali.
Number 7 to number 7.
Arriate making a play para sa kanyang team into the hands of Templo Nuevo. So Lezano fires a 3. That's good! 3-pointer for Lezano. .13 lead, hawak ngayon ng NCF, pero yun,
Nabat ang bawi nun from Pacham. Good for 2.
2-pointer din para kay Pacham. 11-point lead na lang NCF. Arriate, pero may foul na nakita ang ating referee.
That's from Bunaobra, number 24.
To inbound the ball is Ariate. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Passes to Katamora. Katamora passes to Ariate. 10 seconds to shoot here. Fires a 3. No good.
Pero andun si Galvez for the defensive rebound. Sakulo drives. Oh good. Sayang nun. Pero for now, tawagin muna natin ang ating courtside reporter from the side of the NCF Tigers. Hi Kim, anong update dyan sa ating Tigers?
And Russell, this is winning time, people. Bungad agad ni Coach Momo during the dugout, fueling the fire of the Tigers to win. Rason daw kung bakit nakakahabol pa rin ng ACC ay dahil sa kanilang quick offensive rebounds, great passing. Ganun pa man masaya si Coach Momo na naitama na nila ang kanilang box-out defense. Joshua and Russell, nothing but hunger and growth to win ang nangingibabaw from this side, knowing that if there's the same intensity and stable momentum on this very last stretch, hawak na ng NCF Tigers ang kampyonato. Back to the panel.
Maraming salamat Kim sa iyong update from the side of the Tigers. Ayun na nga, isang corner 3 ang binigay sa atin ni Acabado.
Back to single digits lead na lang ang hawak ng NCF dito.
We only have 6 minutes and 39 seconds left sa ating fourth and final quarter. 9-point lead.
And nagtawag ng timeout si Coach Berses para sa Green Serpents. 64-55 ang ating score. Lamang pa rin ang ating NCF Tigers dito.
Grabe yung laro ito, no, Burns? From first quarter to fourth quarter, it's really a tight ball game.
Grabe partner, nakakatawa ang game to na ito. Maraming improvements ang pinakita ng ACC dito. And nakikita natin hindi masyadong tumataas yung kalamangan ng NCF.
Hindi nila
last week, yung game 1 nila, almost nag 20 points yung kalamangan ng NCF. Pero nahabol ng ACC ngayon. Nagiging 10 na lang.
10 lang, yes. 10, 8. Pero
Maganda.
tandaan natin, yung game 1, fourth quarter, dito uminit ang Green Serpents.
Yes, partner. And makikita natin kung mag-i-intensify pa ba ang laro ng ating Green Serpents dito.
Ito na ba?
Nag-make ng changes ang ating mga coaches dito.
Ito na ba ang magiging huling laro para sa ating Bucal Season 4 o meron pa tayong Game 3? Kaabang-abang, kaya mga kaibigan, huwag na huwag kayong kukurap at tutok lang dito sa Game 2 ng ating Bucal Season 4.
Dalawa lang partner ang pwedeng mangyari mamaya. Mag-awarding na ba? O mag-game 3 pa?
Yes, indeed.
And going back dito sa ating ball game, nakikita natin ang mga cheers ng NCF at ACC. Ayan, partner. Punong-puno.
Yes. Umuulan ng green na balloons.
Back to the ball game tayo. Buena Obra. Nagdadala ng bola. Heavily guarded by El Capitan. Buena Obra penetrates. Layup, no good.
Rebounded by Arensada. Pass to El Capitan.
Lim with the ball. Into the hands of Malyapre. Malyapre guarded by Sacolon. Now in the hands of Sablaon. Masinas fires that three-pointer. No good. Bola ngayon ng ACC. Miscommunication there para sa NCF.
We are down to the last 6 minutes ng ating fourth quarter. Buena Obra now is going to the front court. Heavily guarded by Lim. Pass.
Three-pointer.
For 3. No good. Rebounded by El Capitan.
Malyapre with the ball. Into the hands of El Capitan. Making a play for his team. Masinas. Malyapre now. Yapre penetrates, spins, moves
Nice
the ball.
steal by the Green Serpents. Nice defense.
Pass break ngayon, Sakulo.
Sakulo.
That's gonna be a foul called.
Tinawag doon kay Galvez. Ayan, papasok na ang El Capitan ng Green Serpents.
Nagar will go
Nagar.
in. Bonaobra goes out para sa Serpents.
Shoutout sa iyo, Mark De La Peña and Kenneth Resurrection.
Malyapo, Tomasinas into Sablon. Sablon ngayon. Passes to Lim. Lim penetrates. Floater. No good. Rebound Nagar. Passes to Sakulo. Sakulo nagmamadali.
drive. So good. Alinsana. Pero andun si Galvez.
Pero may foul na tinawag ang ating referee. That's gonna be a foul called on Pancham.
Ayun, 3 minutes na nakalipas. Para wala pa ang nagbabago sa ating scoreboard. Lim now has the ball, making a play for the Tigers.
Masinas fires. No good. Offensive rebound. Alexander. Pero may
block by Pancham. Pero tatawagan pa rin yun.
And tinawagan ng technical foul si Galvez doon. And 2 shots dito para sa ating NCF Tigers.
I only have 4 minutes and 31 seconds left. Nakita natin ngayon ang cheer at supporters ng ating Tigers.
Sablaon now with his free throws. First shot is no good.
Si Arinsana now will shoot his bonus shots.
That's good.
Let's go. Shot is good.
10-point lead para sa NCF.
Pero 4 minutes and 31 seconds pa ang natitira sa fourth quarter. Kayang-kaya pa ito ng ating Green Serpents. Pacha now, rebounded the ball. Gantero now.
Gantero with the ball para sa kanilang Green Serpents. Almost intercepted there by Lim. Nagar. Heavily guarded. Fires a 3. No good.
No good. Pero andun si Galvez. Wala pa rin.
El Capitan with the ball. Passes to Sablaon. Sablaon almost loses the ball and he does. Traveling violation. Turnover para sa NCF.
Ball possession ng ating Green Serpents. At ito dito sa live. Grabe ang hiyawan at cheer ng ating Green Serpents.
Yantero ngayon nagdadala ng bola para sa Green Serpents. Guarded by Maliapre. Yantero to Acabado. Acabado penetrates pero there's a whistle. Kundi ba
That's
foul
for Maria,
call?
pre. Ball possession ng ating Green Serpents. Advíncula now. Pass to Acabado. Acabado. Corner.
That's good.
Edge jumper. That's good. Acabado.
And a timeout was called by Coach Momo. Back to single-digit ball lead ang ating NCF Tigers dito. 3 minutes 31 seconds remaining sa fourth and final quarter. This is Bucal Season 4 live at the UNC Sports Palace. We will be right back.
Shortstopper using the back. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
Penetrates. Using that board, assist to himself. Beautiful fast break layup.
It's good. That pass to number one. Number one. Open three and it's good.
Shortstopper using the back. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
And we are back here live at the UNC Sports Palace for the game 2 of the championship game between the SEF Tigers versus the ACC Green Serpents. Gusto ko lang shoutout sa ating commentator dito sa live, Sir Angelo Espinosilia, ang napaka-poging commentator.
Back to the ball game. Ariadna will inbound the ball para sa NCF. And to give us an update, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter from the Green Serpents, si Joyce. Hi Joyce, ano ang update sa iyo dyan?
Joshua and Russell coach George during the halftime said to the boys that they should anticipate the aggressive play of the NCF Tigers for the last 3 minutes. However, kailangan nilang tapatan ang aggressive play at physicality naman ng kanilang opponent. At sabi pa nga ni Coach George, please maintain and attack the same to the physicality defense sa tinatapon ng opponent team. Yan lang muna ang latest from this side. Back to the panel.
Ayan, maraming salamat Joyce for your update sa ating Green Serpents bench. Pero ayan partner, nag-free throw ngayon si Sablaon. And his second shot is good.
Eh, gusto ko lang shoutout kay Simon Sandagon na nanonood ngayon. He is our homegrown UAB player sa FEU Tamaraw. Maraming salamat, Simon, sa panunood at pagsuporta. Acabado loses the ball pero nakakuha ng foul doon si Acabado.
Foul called on Masinas. And to inbound the ball here is Acabado. Galvez passes to Pacham. Mid-range jumper. That's good!
Pacham!
59-66 ang ating ball game. 3 minutes left. El Capitan guarded by number 99. Lim penetrates.
That's good! Michael West! Pero andun si Arinsana for a second chance opportunity.
Single digit ball lead pa rin ang hawak ng NCF. ACC extra pass. That's gonna be a turnover. Crucial turnover there for the ACC Green Serpents.
And to give us an update all the way from the bench of the NCF Tigers, let's call in our courtside reporter. Hi Kim, kamusta?
Yes, Joshua and Russell, minutes away to the throne. The NCF Tigers are pouring all that they've got for this final wing, putting in mind their training, preparation days, and mission. But more than proving that they are the king of the court, the Tigers are mainly hoping that they won the respect of the crowd, which is the NCF community. Eto na yun, the team explained with determined faces going back to the court, ready to devour the ACC for the remaining minutes of this last stretch. Back to the panel.
Ayan, maraming salamat Kim for your update. Pero may nagtawag ng timeout dito. 2 minutes and 10 seconds remaining sa ating ball game. Ito na partner. It all comes down to this, the final 2 minutes ng ating fourth and final quarter. Will we have an awarding or will we have a game 3? 68-59 ang ating score. Single digit ball lead lang hawak ng ating NCF Tigers.
Marami pang pwede mangyari sa natitirang 2 minutes and 10 seconds sa ating ball game, Burns.
Yes, partner.
Kita natin ang ating mga live audience dito ng supporters ng NCF Tigers at ng ACC Green Serpents.
Sobrang intense ng ball game na pinapakita dito ng parehong kupunan. And ayan na yung buzzer sounding that we are going to resume the ball game here.
Ano man ang mangyari ngayong gabi, napakagandang laro ito.
Dito sa ating hardcourt ngayon para sa ating Green Serpents, we have Lantero, Pacham, Kabahog, Galvez, and Acabado. Sablaon now. Passes to Renzana, almost loses that ball. El Capitana regains the basketball there into the hands of Sablaon.
Sablaon.
Step back, three-pointer.
Nice.
Another defense. Renzana offensive rebound. No good. Another chance. Same ball.
Napakaganda block yung kanina ni Acabado. Stopping Sablaon for making a three-pointer.
Lim passes to Renzana. And ayan, turnover. Kabahog passes to Liantero. They need to get a shot in here. Extra pass to Pacham. No good. May tapan.
Galvez.
Galvez.
Pass to Lantero for 3. In and out. No good. Pero 2 pa rin. Ang ating Green Serpents. Hindi sumusuko. Kabahog.
Kabahog! Two-pointer! What a beautiful two-pointer there by Kabahog, plus a foul and a chance for a three-point play. Kabahog for his free throw. He doesn't complete the three-point play. El Capitan with the rebound. That's gonna be a turnover. Galvez
kicks out to Acabado.
That's a steal by Ariate.
Ariato is just killing the time.
1 minute 5 seconds remaining. Ariate with the ball.
7-point lead para kay Ariate. Para sa NCF Tigers.
Ariate sidestep. No good. Offensive rebound.
Sana.
There's a foul called. Foul called on Pacham. 2 shots dito para kay Arenzana.
Arenzana is on the line. A chance to extending their lead.
First shot no good.
7-point lead para sa ating Tigers.
Crowd on their feet dito for the remaining 1 minute dito ng ating ball game. 2 shots. Arenzana is no good. Acabado with the ball para sa Green Serpents. Pacham. To Kabahog. Reverse layup. That's good! 2-pointer na naman.
Susuko at ACC. Green Serpents.
Turnover! Bola ng ACC dito.
5-point lead.
Malyapre will go in for the NCF Tigers. Masinas goes out. Acabado! For 3, no good!
Five-point lead. And we have a timeout called by the NCF Tigers. What a run by the Green Serpents. They cut the lead into 5.
38 seconds remaining dito sa ating ball game.
Shoutout sa iyo, Kyle Arias.
Partner, naniniwala ka ba sa milagro?
Naniniwala ako, partner, sa milagro.
Anything is possible dito. 38 seconds remaining. But will NCF Tigers defend their title for the 4th time dito sa ating Bucal?
Bilog ang bola dito, Burns.
Yes.
2 turnover lang ang makumit ng Tigers. At pag na-convert yon ang ating ACC Green Serpents,
And
a chance for an overtime or a chance for winning this game 2 para sa ating Green Serpents.
And ayan na, partner. Magsisimula na ang last 38 seconds ng ball game.
Supporters now is on their feet.
NCF Tigers ngayon using their timeout here.
Bago matapos ang laban na to, gusto ko lang pasalamatan ang ating Bucal volunteers, ang ating sponsors. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
5-point lead, hawak ng NCF dito. Lozano with the ball. Killing time. Ariate. 30 seconds remaining. Ariate. 22.
Ariate kicks out to back.
Sablaon.
No good.
Offensive rebound.
Lesano.
And that's gonna be it, partner.
And that's gonna be it. Lesano now will step on the free throw line.
A lot of emotions here inside our UNC Sports Palace as Desano makes his free throws. First shot, that's good. 6-point lead.
6-point lead para sa ating Tigers.
One more shot para kay Lesano. That's good.
And we have a timeout called by the Green Serpents.
Timeout ang ating Green Serpents. Gagawa pa ng play si Coach Verses.
12 seconds remaining time para sa ating fourth and final quarter. NCF having a 7-point lead at gagawa pa, hindi pa rin susuko ang Green Serpents. A chance to cut the lead. Nakatayo na ang ating NCF Tigers supporters and even the Green Serpent supporters.
This is it, Pansit partner. 12 seconds remaining. May milagro nga ba? Or 4-time champion na ba ang NCF Tigers dito?
Pasalamatan natin ang ating mga coach at reporters, ang ating stats, ang GNN team, Sir Jerome and the team, and Coach JR Parco. Maraming salamat. And sa ating Bucal volunteers, student volunteers headed by Miss Alex. Maraming salamat sa ating napakasipag na mga volunteers.
And ayan na partner. To inbound the ball here. Galvez. Bola ng NCF. That's gonna be a turnover. And that's it. Na ata partner.
At tumawag rin ng timeout si Coach Momo.
A lot of emotions talaga are showing here inside of the hard court and outside dito sa ating gymnasium. Grabe ang mga emosyon na pinapakita ng mga players dito. ACC Green Serpents, they fought hard until the end. Kaya hindi nasayang ang kanilang oras dito. Napakaganda ng matchup na pinakita nila.
Sa ating mga sponsors, maraming salamat po. And pasalamatan na rin natin ang mga participating teams dito sa Bucal Season 4. Hopefully next season, mas marami pa.
Ayan, back to the ball game na tayo dito, partner. To inbound the ball is Ariate. And I think that's gonna be it, Ariate. Passes to El Capitan to hold out the ball. El Capitan. 6 seconds. That's a steal. Galvez. No good. And that's the end of the quarter. And still your champion, NCF Tigers! And ayan, partner. Grabe ang celebration ngayon ng NCF Tigers because they've defended not only once, twice, or thrice, but 4 times dito sa Bucal. Grabe. ang dynasty ng NCF.
Sila ang hari ng Bucal ngayon. Pero pasalamatan natin. A big appreciation para sa ating green
Yes,
Serpents.
partner. Grabe ang pinakita ng ACC dito. And super grabe ang dedication na pinakita nila all throughout this season. That's why they are deserving to be part of the championship match here sa ating UNC Sports Palace.
And I'm sure they will go back stronger.
And ayan na, partner. We will take a very short commercial break, and sa pagbabalik natin, tatawagin natin ang ating best player of the game. Don't go anywhere. This is Bucal Season 4 live at the UNC Sports Palace.
Penetrates. Using that board, assist to himself. Beautiful play. Fast break layup. It's good. Pass to number one. Open three, and it's good. AMANDO College Green Serpents. This is their first final game. They paved their way through different schools, and now they made it to the final. So let's give it up, ladies and gentlemen, once again to ACC Green Serpents. Once again, we invite the players, the coaches, and the staff. Congratulations to our first runner-up. Alalahanin po natin, kalaro natin sila, hindi kalaban. Our board members of Bucal will be giving them the medals for being the first runner-up. They will also receive a trophy, I think, a trophy for the first runner-up. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up to AMANDO College! Edwin Don Abel. All right, we'll be facing the light. Once again, let's give one last hurrah to our first runner-up, ACC Green Serpents! Congratulations for our strongmen from Mayon. All right, let's face the crowd. And we say thank you for their support. One more time, ACC Green Serpents! Congratulations to the ACC for being the first runner-up. And before we award the Senior Men's Basketball Tournament Bucal Champion Trophy and medals to the team, we will be awarding the Finals MVP. All right, ladies and gentlemen, our MVP is congratulations to thank you so much sa mga volunteers natin. Maraming salamat po for all your efforts sa ating mga intern, sa commissioners natin. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tumulong sa Bucal Season 4. Our Finals MVP, ladies and gentlemen, is Medwin Don Ariate! Congratulations to number 7, our most valuable player for the finals. Congratulations once again to our finals MVP. We now award the champion trophy for the champion, the defending champion, the four-time champion, no other than Naga College Foundation Tigers! You will be receiving the trophy from your very own president, the players. Let's face the stage po for the photo op. Ladies and gentlemen, our undefeated champion once again, the NCF Tigers! Thank you so much everyone sa ating GNN Stat Group, courtside reporter, commentators, at sa mga trainers, videographer, cameraman, sa Bucal student volunteers, and to everyone who helped in the success of the Season 4. Thank you so much and see you next season! one. Napas number one. Open three, and it's good.
Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Number 2 brings in a foul.
And we are back here live at the UNC Sports Palace for the championship match between the NCF Tigers and ACC Green Serpents. Friends, congratulations sa ating fourth-time champion dito sa Bucal. And congratulations rin sa ating Green Serpents.
Yan, partner, grabe yung awarding ceremony na pinakita ng ang ating NCF Tigers. And ayun nga, partner. And our MVP is Ariate, number 7 ng NCF Tigers. Tawagin natin na si Kim para ipakita and i-present niya na ang ating MVP. Hi, Kim!
Yes, Joshua and Russell, here with me is our best player of the game and the most valuable player, our MVP player number 7, Medwin Don Ariate with 8 points, 9 rebounds, 4 assists, and 6 steals. Med, congratulations, you are our best player of the game and MVP. Med, I won't keep you hanging here that much. I just want to know, how do you feel right now? Forfeit champion ng NCF, tapos MVP ka pa, best player pa. I just want to know, how do you feel right now?
Sobrang saya po. Worth it lahat yung pagod namin. Yung sacrifice namin every training, worth it po yun. Kaya sobrang tamis po ng panalong to. And thank you po kay God. Thank you po kasi siya talaga yung main reason kung ba't namin nakuha to and ba't ko to nakuha. Yun lang.
I couldn't agree enough, Med. One last thing, favorite moment mo lang for this season of Bucal?
Favorite moment, syempre po ito ang championship. Wala nang mas ano pa po dito. Yun lang po. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa NCF Tigers and sa NCF community. And lahat po, pati doon. Shoutout doon sa mga tao sa Puturan, doon sa Tapsi, and sa family namin. And dito siya. Dito sila. And sa coaches, sa mga teammates ko, and sa girlfriend ko, andito siya ngayon. All the way from Manila. Thank you.
Thank you so much, our best player of the game and the MVP, Finals MVP of Bucal Season 4, Medwin Don Ariate. Thank you so much, Med. Well, ngayon naman, kausapin natin ang ating winning coach, the winning coach of Bucal Season 4, Coach Genesius Moto Jr. Coach Momo, congratulations! You are our winning coach, forfeit champion ng NCF Tigers. Kamusta ngayon, Coach? How do you feel at this very moment?
Hindi ko ma-express kung gaano kasaya. Just very thankful kay Almighty God. Siyempre na ginaid niya kami. Without Him touching me, hindi namin magagawa yon. And siyempre, to the whole NCF community, maraming salamat sa suporta nyo from day 1 hanggang ngayong game to. At siyempre sa aming boss, si Boss Mario, pang-presidente, napaka-supportive, binigay sa amin lahat. So there's no reason for us para ma-disappoint yung NCF. Sa faculty, sa lahat ng estudyante, sa lahat ng sumuporta, lahat ng kaibigan, lahat ng mga mahal namin sa buhay. This is all for you. Maraming salamat po.
But Coach Momo, in your 25 years as a basketball coach, how is this championship different from the different leagues na napanalunan nyo before, Coach? How is this Bucal Championship different from those?
Pakiulit po.
Coach, you've already been you are already 25 years in this career, and you have already won different leagues and multiple levels. But how is this Bucal Championship different from those you've already celebrated before?
Malaking bagay po ito kasi unang-una, this is the first Bucal season after pandemic. So sabi ko, kailangan makuha natin to para tayo pa rin ang pinakaunang champion from pre-pandemic and then post-pandemic. So napakalaking bagay at nasa remisor na po ako. Wala na ako sa albay. So, masaya.
Alright, thank you so much, everyone. The winning coach, Genesius Moto Jr. And of course, congratulations to the undefeated, the unbeatable, and our four-pit champion of Bucal Season 4, the NCF Tigers. Thank you so much, Coach Momo. It's a celebration for the NCF Tigers. Mga kaibigan, this has been Kimberly Dalanes, the courtside reporter of the NCF Tigers. Maraming salamat po sa pagtutok sa mga updates, diskusyon at mga silip eksena at the courtside here in Bucal Season 4 live on GNTV Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Hanggang sa muli, basketball fans. Back to the panel.
Ayan, maraming salamat Kim and congratulations Coach Momo and syempre sa ating finals MVP Medwin Ariate. Partner, successful season para sa Bucal Season 4 sa ating collegiate bracket and grabe, napaka-exciting, napaka-exhausting pero napaka-worth it na itong season na to para sa atin.
Ayun, maraming naumabang, maraming naghintay at most especially maraming sumuporta sa ating pagbabalik dito sa Bucal Season 4. At this moment, gusto ko lang pasalamatan ang ating mga naging kasama throughout the season. Simulan natin sa ating mga sponsors. Simulan natin sunod sa ating team, sa GNN team headed by Sir Jerome. Sa gabi-gabi before ng season na to, yung training natin. And kay Coach JR rin, maraming salamat. And sa fellow nating mga courtside reporter and statisticians. And of course, sa ating Bucal student volunteers headed by Miss Alex. So maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta at pagtulong para lang may taguyod at maging successful ang ating Bucal Season 4.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumuporta sa Bucal Season 4, lalong-lalo na sa mga fans natin. Kung walang kayo, walang kami dito sa Bucal Season 4. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo talaga.
And of course, sa ating SBB Elite Naga referees headed by Sir Eman Faraon, maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Pero ayan partner, that is all of the time that we have for your Bucal Season 4. Again, ang ating champions, NCF Tigers. And partner, I guess magpapaalam na tayo. We will be signing off as your commentators for the Bucal Universities and College Athletic League Season 4. Ako po, si David Joshua Bernales.
At ako po, si John Russell A. Senyora. At kasama rin namin si Frances Rona. Kami ang naging commentator nyo throughout the Season 4. Maraming salamat po. At hanggang sa muli, dito lang sa GNN Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.